Thank you everybody for watching. I'm Anna Vanila on the channel Anna Vanila Arts, and here we talk about the arts and crafts that I create on my channel, and I am talking to you about my projects, about the things that I make at home, and generally doing creative things like knotting and knitting and crocheting and all sorts of other crafts like that. I'm particularly fond of knitting because knitting is something that is very calming, is very helpful for the mind, body and soul when you do a piece as beautiful as this. This is yet again another Baktus that I've made in the color neon green. Is a very strong color, it's very bright, it's very rich, and I've chosen this color because I love neon green color so much so that even my tablet is in neon green. So yeah, it's fantastic. I love the accent in the center here. It's a plaid and it goes through the center, and remember that Baktus means something between scarf and shawl, which means it's some sort of triangular, not big enough as a shawl and not thin enough like a scarf. So it's slightly in between, something in between the two of those items, and as you can see it's triangular. I've started this project from here, from the bottom, and then I went up and worked through the center whilst adding about one item each, one stitch on each side, on the left and right. And as you work it, as you knit, it increases to a point where, as you continue it, it goes on and on until you reach desired length, like here, and then you close the edge like so, and then attach these strings, these handles. These handles are made with a dolly like this, a smiley thing as this. You put the thread through the center, and then imagine it goes like this. It goes through the center here and it comes out here, and then you pull it as you knit around it with a hook, special hook like this one, which helps you to use the loops and go around. And as you go around, it multiplies the amount that you can actually have as a string, and the string turns out to be quite nice, quite strong, quite even. Maybe I could do a knot for you here just so that it looks even better. So this is the second one. Let's do the second knot, and it will look more terrific when you wear it. And I think it's lovely. I love the color, I love everything about it. This is the back of a project. As you can see, this is the center. It's neatly done. This is how it looks here. It's stretchy because it's acrylic, and it's acrylic yarn, which I would suggest to you all to use it, because acrylic yarn lasts nearly forever, like cotton yarn. and thank you very much for watching and subscribing, and please don't forget to subscribe and show me thumbs up. Bye.